This presentation describes the cloud service models as defined by the National Institute of Standards and Technology along with some examples for each of the service models. You should have already read the documents provided in the Week 1 content area before viewing this presentation. In addition, you should have already viewed the Introduction to Cloud Computing presentation, which is also available in the Week 1 content area. The topics for this presentation include a brief introduction to cloud service models and a description of each of popular cloud service models. These models include software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service models. A summary and list of references are included near the end of this presentation. The National Institute of Standards and Technology provides 3 distinct cloud service models. Each model provides different levels of user interaction and involvement. For example, the infrastructure as a service is the model most like our traditional information technology shops where you create your own server, database and networking environment but you use the cloud resources to do so. Platform as a service includes a platform for building applications. For example, a server may be used in the cloud for the creation of dashboards, reporting systems, and data analysis applications. Software as a service allows users access to a fully functional software application through the web or a vendor application programming interface. Examples of software as a service include social networking and call center applications. Each of these models will be further differentiated over the next few slides. It is not atypical to see some overlap between the platform and infrastructure as a service definitions, as often, similar computer resources are needed in the infrastructure and platform models. Some of the main features of software as a service models include scalable resources, universal web access, and data being stored remotely in the cloud. For this model, payment is typically through a monthly subscription, and the software maintenance and management issues are transparent to the user. As new updates are made, the user doesn't have to worry about a new installation procedure or update process. They log in, and the new software is available for them to use. Examples of software as a service model include email, desktop applications, customer relationship management, document management and other productivity tools. As you can see by the list on this slide, the number of software as a service examples is large and growing. This service model continues to be a popular model for many users and developers. Consumers use a platform on the cloud to deploy applications others have created for them. They may also create their own applications and deploy them to the cloud. This removes the need for organizations to manage the underlying infrastructure and focus on the deployment and management of applications. The cloud provider will take care of the maintenance of the systems and backups. A cloud platform supports collaborative team for dispersed workers. A number of platform as a service examples exist including databases and business intelligence. Platforms on the cloud are often used to install existing applications such as database, business intelligence, and development applications. As a business grows, the platform used can be scaled to include more storage, memory or computing power. In the infrastructure as a service model, consumers provision databases, networks and other resources in the cloud to use as they wish. This model contains the basic building blocks for cloud computing and provides access to networking features, virtual computers, and data storage. Infrastructure as a service provides companies and agencies with the highest level of flexibility and management control over needed information technology resources. Example infrastructure as a service models include backup and recovery and compute resources. Most cloud vendors provide these services. In fact, many laptop and mobile phone vendors provide backup and recovery services for data and move it to the cloud to ensure continuity of service and use of the data in case your phone or laptop is stolen or becomes non-functional. Cloud computing supported 3 service models. In the software as a service model, users are provided access to software through the cloud without having to worry about managing the installation or maintenance of the software. In the platform as a service model, the cloud provider will take care of the maintenance of the systems and backups. A cloud platform supports collaborative team for dispersed workers and expedites application development. In the infrastructure as a service model, building blocks such as networks, virtual computers, and data storage are provided to the consumer. The infrastructure as a service model provides companies and agencies with maximum flexibility and control for the computing and technology needs. This slide lists references used in the presentation.